Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will learn about data types in C language. Data types in C. Let us go through the types and their description. First is basic types. They are arithmetic types, consists of two types, integer and floating types. Second is enumerated types. They are again arithmetic types and they are used to define variables that can only be assigned in certain discrete integer values throughout the program. Third is the void type. This type specifier void indicates that no value is available. As we have seen in the previous tutorial, there was a main function and it was returning nothing, so we have a specifier void. Fourth is derived types. They include pointer types, array types, structure types, union types, and function types. Let's go to some basic types. Character. Its size is 1 byte and it contains the value range of -128 to 127 or 0 to 255. Unsigned character, its storage size is 1 byte and its value range is 0 to 255. Signed character, which is a storage size of 1 byte and it holds -128 to 127. The same case with int, which is 2 or 4 bytes, which can hold up to the value range of -32,768 to 32,767. The same with unsigned integer, but its range is 0 to 65,535, or if it was 4 bytes, its range is 0 to 4294 967 295. Short, it's 2 bytes, and if it is signed, then its range is -32,768 to 32,767, and if it is unsigned, then its range is 0 to 65,535, and the same case with long. Now let's go to the floating point data types in C. Float, its storage size is 4 bytes and it holds the given value range and its precision is 6 decimal points. Double, its storage size is 8 byte, which is double than the float with the given value range, and its precision is 15 decimal places. Long double, its storage size is 10 bytes, holds up to the given value range, and its precision is 19 decimal places. So this was the introduction to basic data types in C. From the further tutorials, we will go to the C programming and write some codes. Thank you.